Rylan, can you say happy holidays?
Happy holidays.
Say it again.
Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Cute. You got your elf outfit on?
Huh?
You got your elf outfit on? Say
Happy.
happy holidays, Santa.
Happy rapper.
Huh?
Happy holidays, rapper.
What?
Right there.
Oh, Jasper, the elf.
Yeah, ho.
Where is he?
Up there.
Up where?
In the tree.
Oh, he's up in the tree?
Yeah.
What's he doing up there?
Huh?
What's he doing up there?
Like that.
Oh, he's looking around?
Yeah.
Oh, like that.
Watch me.
He's watching you?
Yeah. No. TV.
Oh, he's watching the TV?
Yeah.
I think he's watching you be naughty.
Huh?
You've been naughty. You're just being naughty to Maddie. Mm-hmm. What do you got?
Ice.
Ice.
Pink. Pink.
Yeah, the mouse has a pink dress.
Mickey.
You want to see?
Yeah.
I'll say happy holidays again.
Happy